How to log in into Commercial Bank of Qatar account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can log in into Commercial Bank of Qatar online account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have to open up your preferred browser, head towards the search bar and there type in CBQ Login. So once you search for it, from the search results, head towards the first link on the interface that's gonna take you to their sign-in portal. So click on it. Now you will land on their sign-in portal. If you navigate to your right hand side, there you have to enter your account credential or the login credential. So first of all, enter your user ID associated with your online account. Then under that, enter your correct password. In case if you forget your password or user ID, there is a link right under that to recover your password or ID. Click on it, follow some instructions, and that's gonna help you recover your account. So once you're done typing in your user ID and password, there is sign in button. All you have to do is click on it. After that, you will be logged into your online account if you have entered the correct login credentials. And that's how you can log in into Commercial Bank of Qatar online account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.